How to create Worldpay credit card. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. To begin with, in a preferred browser, search for dashboard.worldpay.com, after which you will be redirected to its official homepage. Now in here, if you want to create or activate the credit card, tap on the login button. Then it will redirect you to a login portal. Enter your username and tap on Remember my username only if it is your personal device and select on Continue button. Now when you are logged in into your Worldpay account, navigate to the option of Activate Credit Card or similar keywords to those. Once you click on it, you may have to enter some of the personal details regarding your credit card and some of you as well. Once applied, it may take at least of 24 to 48 hours to verify your account as well as to activate it. However, if you already have a Worldpay account and a physical card for you, you can easily activate it within a minute. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.